Good day viewers and welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Show. This is Shanchari Banerjee from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. Today's special newsreel is sponsored by Bangalore-based Ravago Shah Polymers Private Limited, a distributor and agent for various commodity polymers like PVC, PP, PE, EVA and engineering plastics. Starting with oil news, crude oil prices declined on Wednesday, while WTI traded at $64.38, a fall of 87 cents per barrel. Brent finished at $64.38, down 58 cents per barrel. Despite a fall in upstream crude prices, open spec naphtha prices gained on Wednesday at the $612 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day rise of $2 per metric ton. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. LLDPE prices are higher by 5 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,140 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are down by 3 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 8,543 RMB per metric ton. PVC remains stable from the previous settlement at 6,210 RMB per metric ton. Moving on to the Asian market update for PS. Prices nosedived in Asia this week. The price tumble was triggered by very sluggish buying sentiment. CFR China prices of GPPS were assessed at the $1480 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week drop of $30 per metric ton. CFR Southeast Asia prices of GPPS were assessed at the $1510 per metric ton levels, a fall of $30 per metric ton from the previous week. In India, prices of GPPS were assessed at the $1515 per metric ton CFR levels, a sharp week-on-week decline of $35 per metric ton. Visit www.polymerupdate.com for more. Coming to Asian market update for ABS. Prices witnessed a steep drop in Asia this week. Persistent weaker upstream costs coupled with lackluster buying interest pulled ABS prices lower across the Asian region. CFR China prices of ABS were assessed lower at the $1930 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week slide of $70 per metric ton. CFR Southeast Asia prices of ABS were assessed down at the $1950 per metric ton levels, a plunge of $70 per metric ton from the previous week. In India, prices of ABS were assessed lower at the $1940 per metric ton CFR levels, a steep week-on-week drop of $70 per metric ton. That's all for today's petrochemical news. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Thursday, March 29th. This is Shanchari Banerjee. Thank you. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.